Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about a milk pump mom's guide and share some simple information that can help make pumping easier for mothers. For many mothers, using a pump becomes an important part of daily life. Whether you are building a storage routine, returning to work, or simply looking for more flexibility, having a good pumping routine can make a big difference. The first step is choosing a pump that feels comfortable and fits your lifestyle. Some mothers prefer manual pumps, while others find electric pumps more convenient for regular use. Before every session, make sure all pump parts are clean and properly assembled. A few minutes of preparation can help make the entire process smoother. It is also important to create a comfortable environment. Many mothers find that sitting in a quiet place helps them feel more relaxed during pumping sessions. Consistency can be helpful as well. Pumping around similar times each day often makes it easier to build a routine and stay organized. Keeping storage containers ready in advance can save time after each session. Simple habits like labeling containers can also make storage easier to manage. Cleaning pump parts after every use is another important part of the routine. Proper cleaning helps maintain hygiene and keeps everything ready for the next session. Many mothers discover that pumping becomes easier once it becomes part of their daily schedule. What feels new in the beginning often becomes a natural habit over time. Remember that every mother's experience is different. The goal is not to follow a perfect routine, but to create one that works well for you and your lifestyle. With preparation, consistency, and patience, pumping can become a simple and manageable part of everyday life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.